Hi, this is Mark Rabin. Welcome to episode 173 of Lean Blog Audio. This is a post from January 16th, 2017 titled, Lean is Not Just Process Improvement. Now, in my travels, I often meet people or visit organizations that say something like, we're doing Lean, we just call it process improvement. They have a process improvement or PI department, or they call it continuous process improvement, CPI. They have people in roles like process improvement facilitators. While process improvement is great, in using a term like that, there's perhaps a risk that they miss the full and complete essence of Lean and therefore don't get the results they might hope for. Now, Lean, the methodology, is based on the Toyota production system and the Toyota Way management approach. Those who coined the term Lean had to come up with a descriptor that wasn't completely based on Toyota for these methods to be more accepted in the rest of the auto industry and in other settings. Toyota's own website says that Lean is basically a synonym for their approach. Toyota and their TSSC organization say that they can say that they're teaching TPS to other organizations, but most others call it Lean. I'm not a Toyota guy, so I wouldn't feel right using the Toyota name or label for my work as some other people do. Now, I understand how the term process improvement might be less threatening than the word Lean, with all of the negative connotations that can come with the word. Lean often makes people think of layoffs or not having what we need to do our work, although the Lean methodology is actually a great alternative to layoffs, and a Lean environment provides better systems that provide what is needed for people to do the work the right way. Using the term process improvement sells Lean short. Yes, Lean provides methods and frameworks for identifying and eliminating waste and providing better value to customers. Lean tools and Lean projects can be utilized to drive measurable improvements in a short period. But Lean is more than process improvement. It's more than engaging frontline staff in continuous improvement. As Jamie Benini, the leader of Toyota's TSSC organization that works with suppliers and nonprofit organizations, explains, TPS and Lean is, at its foundation, an organizational philosophy. Toyota describes TPS as, quote-unquote, an integrated system that includes technical methods like just-in-time practices and Jidoka to build in quality at the source, managerial approaches, inspiring and developing people through problem solving, and philosophies. Now, that philosophy is, according to Benini, in 4 parts. 1, customer first. Provide customers with what they want, when they want it, in the amount they want it. 2, people are the most valuable resource. Deeply respect, engage, and develop people. 3, continuous improvement, or Kaizen. Engage everyone each and every day. And 4, shop floor, or Gemba focus. Go to where the work is done to find and solve problems. Now, I've linked to a page from Toyota's website with a helpful diagram and more details about this approach. And you can find that and all sorts of other links here by going to leanblog.org/audio 173. I've linked to a couple other older posts of mine with more thoughts from Jamie Benini. So process improvement is a good thing, but Lean should be more than that. Can a process improvement team influence the way managers operate? Can a PI team influence senior leaders to embrace new mindsets and approaches to leadership? Far too often, they cannot. Senior leaders too often think that, quote-unquote, implementing Lean is a matter of training frontline staff and managers. These senior leaders far too often don't ask their PI team or outside consultants like myself to help them change. They often define the problem as bad processes, not bad leadership. Now, using the technical methods of TPS, sometimes referred to as Lean tools outside of Lean culture, runs the risk of being ineffective or counterproductive. The right tool and the wrong culture can cause a lot of frustration, as I've blogged about before. Whether that's a Ford plant where people got in trouble for pulling the andon cord, or my GM plant where I worked at 20 years ago where people got yelled and screamed at about their hourly production numbers. Now, Lean should be a management system and a culture. At least it should be if an organization is trying to be as great as they can be. In addition to process improvement, Lean should also be about designing new processes and workspaces or reinventing them in a Lean design method. And you can see, if you go to the blog posts and other podcasts about that topic. Does this focus on, or the label of, process improvement diminish Lean and hold back the progress that could be made out there? Is process improvement a good start as long as the organization aims to eventually accomplish more on the culture change front? What do you think? So to read more, to see other links, if you'd like to post a comment, please come to the blog leanblog.org/audio173.